to reveal the mystery boxes. We'll put all of it on the table. We'll all open it together. You'll be given 2 minutes to think if you need some extra utensils. And then we'll get started on the countdown, okay? Brace up yourself, guys. The mystery box is coming your way. We have 4 ingredients and it is a must for you to use all the 4 of it. Our chefs have also seen the 4 ingredients we've given you. तो आपको चारों ही use करना है. Think of what you can make. Additional spices and stuff is something you already have. Any other utensil is required, let us know now. It's for 50 minutes, 50 minutes. 3, 2, 1, and your 50 minutes starts now.
Saffron rice. So for the 4 ingredients was chana, saffron, coconut and rice. So I've made saffron rice. So I've made sundal, which is a typical temple prasad. And since it will be very dry, so I made an extra dish, potato polichadu. So it's basically a Kerala dish.
So what is the meaning of polichadu?
Polichadu basically means to wrap it in a banana leaf and then.
But good. Overall, nice dish.
Overall nice dish.
Very different 3 elements. As rightly chef said, with a spicy sauce, subtle potato, very mild rice and chana. If I eat all 4, it's actually complementing each other.
Yeah, because if I'm eating only rice, then it's a little
There is
bland.
no bland, exactly.
But when I'm combining everything, it's good flavors.
Well done. Thank
Good
you.
job, well done.
Coconut based gravy, and this is chana with onion paste and ginger garlic paste, this one.
What
And
is that? What is the center one?
This is chana, the core ingredients.
Okay.
Is done with coconut gravy, and the coconut gravy I reduced and poured it over here so that you can have a taste of it. And this is a saffron sweet pulao.
Saffron sweet pulao.
So the core ingredients are over here, 4 core ingredients. No, it's savory. This one also savory, this one only sweet. Pulao is sweet. Saffron sweet, yes.
Did you taste the rice?
I tasted, but I think little hard it is because it will take some more time to. So,
Your chana is very good.
okay, thank you.
Your sauce is amazing.
Okay.
Rice flavors are good.
Okay.
Only thing is that
Little
rice is a
hard.
little bit hard. Otherwise, it's very, very tasty dish. Given a
Thank you.
time, I can eat a good. It's a good, wholesome meal for anyone.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. ma'am.
And good concept of sweet and savory.
Yeah.
Very
thank-
nice.
thank
Not
you,
very
sir.
overly sweet. So it is complementing the,
Savory
that
and the sweet
coconut
sauce.
milk stuff sauce. Good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next.
I would maybe expect a little bit more fat also on this.
Okay, thank
The
you.
fat is very dry.
Okay,
The rice is dry.
okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, very good.
Thank you.
और थोड़ी sauce ज़्यादा कीजिए.
I made coconut milk kheer
Okay.
and then I made bagara rice, which is Hyderabadi. And I made cashew tomato based gravy with chickpea and potato.
Okay. Where is saffron? what did you made of this?
It's milk, coconut, the whole coconut I have used. It's coconut water, coconut shell. I've mixed everything and made kheer out of it without using water. And basmati rice and saffron.
You have not used the coconut chunks.
I've used the coconut chunks, yeah.
Nice. I like this gravy and the dessert. Very, very nice. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tata meeta rice with aloo and chana and with saffron with the last serving. Like it will be boiled. Just for a light pinch of water, we'll add saffron. If we have in the, actually I don't have milk, so soaked in the water and just add in the last. Because when we pressure in the cooker, the saffron smells very hard. So that is the reason I given the last. And this is the right chana is like fried chana, which is for crunchiness. Every softiness is not. So I just given you nuts also. Sorry, sir?
Did you boil the chana first or before frying, or you directly?
No. I just boiled, then only I fried it.
It's tasty, huh? It's nice. But when you said I was not convincing.
Inside you just, now you just take it. Yeah. Actually, basically we'll use only chana dal and turad dal, moong dal. All these three we give, and we'll have all vegetables. To the kids, they won't actually eat. So in our thing, like they need the tangy and sweetiness, and all the vegetables, like not sambar rice, it is masala rice, something kind.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
मेरा ये वेज बिरयानी पहली बार है, मैं पहली बार ट्राई करी हूँ।
Veg biryani पुलिहोरा.
ये वेज बिरयानी है
Veg biryani है.
और ये छोले।
छोले.
आप नॉन-वेज बिरयानी भी बनाते हैं?
अभी तो नहीं
नहीं, यहाँ नहीं, मतलब ऐसे घर पे बनाते क्या?
घर में हम लोग नहीं बनाते,
हाँ,
घर में खाने के लिए तो
बनाते हैं ना। हाँ, मतलब नॉन-वेज बनाते हैं ना।
बना
तो नॉन-वेज अगर बिरयानी ऐसा बनाना कॉम्बिनेशन, तो इसमें नॉन-वेज डाल सकते हैं? चिकन डाल सकते हैं इसमें?
इसमें तो अभी नहीं
इसमें अभी नहीं है, वैसे डाल सकते हैं ना?
नहीं इसमें नहीं डाल सकते, चिकन के लिए अलग से है।
अच्छा।
हाँ
बढ़िया, अच्छा है.
अच्छे।
Thank you.
I have made tomato rice.
Okay.
टॉम टॉम भात बोलूँगी मैं उसको, बिकॉज अगर आप टमाटर बोलोगे तो नहीं खाना चाहते हैं लोग. सो आई हैव मेड अ टॉम भात. आई हैव मेड दिस छोले विद ग्रेटेड कोकोनट एंड आई हैव बॉइल्ड द छोले विद कोकोनट वाटर.
Okay.
एंड आई हैव मेड दिस केसर कर्ड विद पुदीना एंड शुगर इन इट.
Okay, can I have everybody in the front? We are announcing the shortlisted participants.
All 6 dishes were very good. Can we have a round of applause, please? Please clap for yourself. So, because it's a competition format, somebody will go ahead and somebody will not. But that doesn't mean you're not a good cook. Miss Kedia,
आपका चेक ने आपको बचा लिया.
sweet and savory mixture, Smita ji.
कीर्ति बगारा राइस एंड खीर. बगारा राइस में नमक ज़्यादा है. राइट. एंड तुलसी गारू या तुलसी अगेन नमक में थोड़ा इशू आपका गड़बड़ है, और आपका डिश बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. काव्या आलू स्लाइटली कच्चा. ललिता आपका भी थोड़ा चना थोड़ा कच्चा है. राइट. सो बट अदरवाइज इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेस्ट चारों का अच्छा है. सबका टेस्ट में योर खीर एंड योर चना ग्रेवी वॉज वेरी वेरी गुड. खट्टा मीठापन आपका भी अच्छा है. तुलसी आपका पुलाव बहुत अच्छा था. राइट. फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छा आपकी. और काव्या योर इनोवेशन इज़ वेरी गुड. So chef and we have decided out of 4 whom we have to consider, but because the innovation of the dish also carries a marks a lot, so the third contestants for the evening will be Kavya.
Congratulations to Smita, Kavya. Congratulations, Ivanika. I think all the 3 of you are just one step now. That's it. This is your finale round. Final होने वाला है अब. Bergner ICC chef. Give it up for the title यार. तीनों में से कोई एक 51,000 लेके जाने वाला है. So now everybody who's around, you know the faces, right? अगर आपको party चाहिए तो you could approach anybody from the three because that's who is going to fetch the title. So congratulations, the other three. Thank you so much. Congratulations on making it to the second round.